Hi, I'm Antonia. I'm from bwcon and today I'm here with Kaustubh from Phaseform. Phaseform develops next generation adaptive optics, is that right? So if you are interested in life science, diagnostics or microscopy, you should stay tuned for this interview. Hi Kaustubh, good to have you here. Nice to meet you. Can you give me a short sum up? What is Phaseform? What are you doing? When did you found your business? Yes.
Phaseform GmbH, we founded our company last year in 2020. We are a spin-off from the University of Freiburg. Our technology, our core technology and our core strengths are based on developing a new class of wavefront modulator. It's a novel fundamental optical component, which is very small and easy to integrate. And what we use this for is to develop adaptive optic systems. These systems basically can be used to improve image correction and image quality, particularly in the field of microscopy, and in healthcare we can improve and bring existing diagnostic tools, existing imaging tools to the next generation.
That sounds really interesting. So can you explain me, like, how did you develop the technology and what did drive you to get to this idea?
So the technology at Phaseform was developed over a period from maybe 2013 onwards. This was initially conceived by the inventor of the technology, Charles Attemann, at IMTEK. And I basically conducted my research under him as a PhD student. Also, in our team, my colleague, he also completed his PhD. So it's a combined effort by the team using overall, if you consider it overall, using consisting of over 10 years of 10 man-years of effort to develop this technology. And our core competencies are in developing microsystems, in fluidics, and in optical, in optics. So we combine all of this history and all of these existing ideas and technology that we have to finally realize this sort of system that we can bring finally to the fields of microscopy and high-resolution imaging.
So during your researches, you saw the need for this technology, and then you were like, okay, there's nothing else around that could like scope all these fields, so let's combine them together.
That's approximately it. So this technology, actually, the field of adaptive optics and the technology adaptive optics, that is a well-known technology which is used in the field of astronomy already. So all large terrestrial telescopes, when they're looking out into space and they want to image and make all these really cool images that you see published by ESO or by NASA, these already use this technology. But you have essentially the exact same problem when you're trying to do diagnostics in medicine. When you're trying to, say, image the back of your eye, you have the same problem. You have to image through tissue, and you have some image correction that is absolutely necessary. But it is very hard so far to translate this technology from the field of astronomy to microscopy. With our technology, one can finally make this happen. And you can bring this technology from a research or a lab state finally in the hands of, say, doctors or biologists, so that they can do their research and we can learn more about the human body and about medicine.
It's really interesting. So you're doing like a big part to do diagnostics and life science better, and that's really nice. So can you tell us how far your business is developed right now? So where are you, at which point are you, maybe what else do you need to get further? Yes.
So as I said, we are a spin-off from the university and we founded a company last year. We were successful in securing the German government's grant with the EXIST project, with the EXIST technology transfer project. And so we have been working in that framework to bring the technology out from the lab into an industrial product. And I'm happy to say that Phaseform is going to launch its first product, the Delta 7. This is going to be available to the first beta customers already by the end of 2021. And at the heart of it is this unique new optical element that I described earlier.
So congratulations on that. That sounds amazing. Do you already have customers where you can launch your product, or are you still searching for some?
So we are trying to get as much feedback as possible with this first product launch. So we are hoping to work with beta customers, with people we already have some ongoing collaborations, so that we can work with them closely to support them and we can get direct feedback from them. As I said, the technology itself is relatively ubiquitous. It could be used in many different fields because it's effectively it can be treated as a fundamental optical element. But we want to really focus, and we have designed this product for use in microscopy and imaging. So we are working now with microscopy OEMs, but also on the other side, researchers in optics and in adaptive optics to get feedback and have them use this. Yes, we do have some early customers and that we are already working with, and others who have shown interest in our product. This is going to be available for beta customers, as I said, because with this early first launch, we want to first get as much feedback as positive, as much feedback as possible, negative and positive this year, so that we can continue to improve our product and bring and scale up as we go in the next years.
So that's amazing for a startup that was founded like last year in 2020. Do you have plans for the future? Like, where do you want to see Phaseform in maybe 3 years? Do you have a vision?
Our vision at Phaseform has been to make adaptive optics accessible, finally, to biologists and to doctors and anyone who uses a microscope. I would like to quote Eric Betzig, the Nobel Prize winner, who basically said that all microscopes necessarily will be using adaptive optics in the future. And we want to help realize that goal and that dream and that vision. And we hope that with our technology, with our first product, we're taking the first steps toward that future.
Yes. I think with your entrepreneur spirit, you will have good chances so you can reach your goals for Phaseform. I think Phaseform is a really cool startup because it revolutionizes kind of diagnostics. So if you're interested to get to know those guys, where can I find you? Like, are you on any exhibitions? Do you have LinkedIn, social media? Like, where can we reach out to you?
We are active on social media, on LinkedIn and Twitter. We are also going to take part in Photonics West. And of course, you can go to our website, phaseform.com, and there you can find information about the technology, our product, including technical details in our white paper and academic publications.
So thanks for the interview. It was really nice to meet you and to get to know Phaseform a bit more. Thank you for watching.